Hello!
Hello!
We are two Estonian beards.
As you can probably see, we're back in London.
Woohoo!
And we have now had a few weeks to unpack and put together a nice video of our trip to Gran Canaria, as promised.
Greetings from Rano.
And greetings from Marco.
And this is Gran Canaria. Quite unexpectedly, Gran Canaria welcomed us with 13 degrees and rain, which was quite a bummer because we left London with 14 degrees and sunshine.
But it was uphill from there. The sun came out and we tuned into a full-on holiday mode. For most of us, Gran Canaria is nothing more than a resort and beaches, laying by the pool, sipping cocktails and evening strolls to enjoy the nightlife.
We, however, decided to make our experience a bit more bespoke. So on alternate days we took upon ourselves to get out there and explore the island from different angles.
Though, when we signed up for the hike in Gran Canaria Wilderness, we had no idea that we would end up 1,600 meters above sea level, ankle deep in the snow.
Yes, in the snow. And it was the first time in 3 years it had snowed there.
So there we were in our shorts and trainers, but it was worth it. Amazing views from the top of the island and the chance to see that 1% of rainforest that was left of once very different island. But as you can remember, I was pretty sure that hike is gonna kill me. Well, as you can see, it didn't.
Well, you were just lucky that we didn't go on top of the volcano, but there's always a next time. But between the extremes, we were still able to enjoy the buzzing nightlife and were able to actually attend the Maspa Wood Carnival, which is, from what I heard, third biggest carnival in Europe.
That was actually pretty cool.
Yeah, it was pretty cool.
That was pretty cool.
Yeah.
As another day trip, we visited the capital Las Palmas. We promised you that we would try and seek out some proper history, and there it was, there we found it.
Las Palmas was founded in 1478, has a population of 383,308 people, that was in 2010, and is joint capital city of Canary Islands with Santa Cruz de Tenerife. So these are the dry facts. We checked out the old part of the city, which gave us good sense of colonial time Spain when Columbus made pit stops in the islands on his way to and from Americas. All in all, Gran Canaria for me was everything I expected and a little bit more. Everything I expected in the sense of the plastic Medicare middle class holiday experience where everything is like pretty much the same, but so much more in the sense of the wilderness, which is so often bypassed.
If you happen to be in Gran Canaria, we definitely suggest drag your butts away from the beach and poolside and make your way outside of the resort areas.
If you want more details about our hike and how we got there, check out the link in the description box. By the way, this is not endorsed by the company, but we feel that they really deserve some exposure, so we are happy to give it to them.
Also, go and check out the Vegeta area in Las Palmas and climb to the top of Santa Ana Cathedral. If you don't have a car, getting around the island using public transport is dead easy. We got our timetables and needed information from the link in the description box.
So we definitely feel that we need to go back there because there is so much more to see and so much more to do.
But here we will be back in 2 weeks' time, hopefully exploring a bit more of our own neighborhood here in London.
Absolutely.
So thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. So thanks for watching. So thanks for watching.
Until then, take care of yourself and each other.
Take care of your beards.
And Olga Muhaddad.
So, if you like what you saw, don't forget to subscribe if you already haven't.
Give a thumbs up and share with your friends if you will.
Yep, look us up on Instagram and on Twitter. And check out this video, this is one of our previous ones if you already haven't seen that one.
Yeah.
Thank you guys, thank you guys. You're great.
30 teine päev. Ühtegi inimest